Good morning. You find me down here at RKB Leisure. Look at it. Doesn't it look fantastic? So I fished here a few times during COVID, just before it got locked down. I have to be honest, never caught anything here. We're thinking of coming here and joining as members. There's a few fish in. There's a couple of lumps in here. We're going to give it a go, see what happens. Obviously, you'll be with me. I'm on my own, no Lindsay. Not that I'm excited about that, and I'd never admit to it, but it's going to be nice, peaceful. My ears won't bleed, but we'll see how we get on. Just one little overnighter on my own, cool box full of essentials, you know what I mean, and we will see how we catch, if we catch anything. A little bit concerned about spawning. It is that time of year, but that's the risk you take. The fish need to do what they need to do, so knowing my luck, that's what's going to happen. But it's so beautiful, it's hard not to do a night here, and I will be doing more regular nights. This is going to be my campaign lake, and Lindsay will also be part of that journey. So we're going to join, and then we'd come here down and we'll bring the kids down. We do some different types of fishing. There are some silverfish, a lot of matches go on here, pike fishing in the winter, etc, etc. So listen, I'm going to get set up and I'll bring you back shortly. This one, oh, bear with, is sort of 3/4 of a complex T, a whole pineapple 10mm pop-up. Again, it looks a bit funky. It isn't the neatest, but it sits beautifully above the hook. So we'll see. We'll attach one of the old mesh bags and get it in. And last but not least, I've just brought it in. Big hook, small pop-up, Tom Dove style, on a helicopter rig with a safe, the safe clip, the leg clip safe thing, whatever that's called. From Corder again, but yeah, look at that. And that again sits beautifully. So yep, that's the one that's going to go at distance with that small little stick. And yeah, it's time for the night time. So now I'm looking to go just over to the right hand side, not too far. Again, look at my stick. The purists will be going, Wayne, what are you doing? Well, do you know what I'm doing? I am literally going to just, he says, I'm just going there, guys. See that? I am just going there. So for me, doesn't matter a shit what the stick looks like. It's not going too far, so there's a little bit of attraction around the hook, and that's what we want. Well, that's what I want. Back lead on. Drama, these back leads. Well, I create drama myself because I'm bit of shenanigans there with that dancing back lead, but I think we're in a good place now. Get that there. Get the alarm on. There we go. And we're set, guys. We're set for the night time. So I'm sitting back, guys. Obviously you saw where I cast. Again, one to the left, one to the right, but not very far at all. I don't want to be mooching around there. I just want to be sitting back. I'm close enough to my rods I can get there in a second or two, but I'm not too close. I'm going to spook the fish moving around on the gravel and stomping around. So I'm just going to sit back here, be very quiet, and hope for a fish. Right, you've seen the baits, you've seen the rigs. No one else has got anything. One guy came back earlier and said there was a fish at the far end. So listen, I'm relatively comfortable that I'm fishing all right. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong, but if the fish ain't there, I ain't gonna catch them. Already making excuses. I've still got loads of hours yet. So let's just hope we can weed one out. It'd be great to weed one out. I am on the back of the wind. The wind's swirling a little bit, so 1 minute it's in my face, 1 minute it's not, but predominantly I have been here on the back of the wind, so the sun has been heating the water. So I'm sure the fish are thinking of spawning. The bailiff was saying that they did a few days ago, about a week ago, they had a couple of days of it, and then it got cold again, so they stopped. It turned them off, and I think it's 17 degrees or above that they need to spawn. I have just ordered a thermometer actually, for checking water temperature, so that's exactly what I will do, and also my beer temperature. Incredibly important. So yeah, listen, I'm gonna keep rabbiting on as I do. Hopefully you don't mind, but we're just we're in that bit now where the sun's going to start going down, and we should be in bite time. If we're going to get some fish, it's going to be, my feeling is we're going to get them before midnight and then early morning. So I have to make a decision around sort of late on whether I'm going to carry on fishing through the night or leave, you know, bring the rods in, get them ready for first light. So I'll keep you informed of that process, and I'll bring you back shortly. There's the house for tonight. Nice little peach pillow, bed system. Yeah, should be nice. Be better if these bloody rods went off. What a fantastic evening. There's a guy spawning in the corner. Oh, hitting the clip. What's he, 30 yards out? It's beautiful. A few midges, but I've got the jungle formula. Still no fish though. Snack time. So we've got hot dogs on the ridge monkey. Only one though, because it's only early. So we just had a little knock on this bad boy. Not sure about that. Probably a bream. but we shall leave it. Nice to see some action though. Oh, the right hand one's also getting a little bit excitable. Good morning. Not a thing. Couple of knocks at around 3 o'clock. Got me out my bed sharpish, just to put me back in it a few minutes later. The winds got right up this morning. It's very windy in the night. But no, nothing this morning, unfortunately. So I'm going to make a coffee. It's only just gone 6 AM. So hopefully there's still time for a quick bite yet. You never know. So I'll come out the wind to speak to you. Excuse me. Yeah, the wind got right up in the night. Kept me awake. I was wondering about my Bivy skills. So really windy, and as much as I thought the Bivy might take off, but it didn't, so that's good. Just having a nice, the roaring noise is got to have a coffee in the morning, and then I'm going to start to pack up slowly. I'll expect Lindsay to be here around 8-9 o'clock. Haven't heard from her yet. But we start to pack up. Keep getting a knock on the left hand rod, bream or small fish, and a couple of knocks and a pull round of the rod also. Thought it might be something decent, but no, I think it's just an over excitable small fish, thinking it's a big fish. So yeah, we will just sit as we are for another half an hour. Well, I'm going to drink my coffee, maybe have 2, and then think about packing down. So there we go, that's my lot. So RKB Leisure, formerly known as Nichols. I hope it's called that. Now I've been calling it that all the time. We're done. You can see now I'm just packing down. It's like deja vu, it's like when I started. So yeah, the fish are getting into the reeds next to me, so I'm suspecting they are just about to start spawning again for the second go. It is a little bit warmer, so they're crashing around in the reeds here. So yeah, until the next time, if you like it, subscribe. If you don't, then don't. Really pleased you watched though. If you got all the way to the end, well done. I know I do rabble on a bit, but until the next time, I hope you enjoy fishing with the greens.